Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to all my new subscribers. Thank you for returning and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make stretch mark cream. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss out on any information. And if this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post again. If you would like to be trained by me, kindly register for my upcoming intensive online training. So if you are interested in the training, chat me on WhatsApp with the number on the screen. Let's quickly go through the ingredients I'll be using. If you want to make a lotion from scratch, you need e-wax, emulsifying wax, you need stearic acid or cetyl alcohol, you need your butters. I have shea butter and mango butter. Then I also have my distilled water. I have the oil I'll be using. I'm going to drop the recipe on the description box. So I have beeswax. I'll also be using beeswax. I'll be using coconut oil, and I'll be using olive oil as well. Okay guys, so to know how to make this lotion, you need to watch my other video on how to make lotion from scratch. Then you can understand the magic here. After making the lotion, I'm gonna be adding this is vitamin E. I'm gonna be adding vitamin E to my lotion. I'm going to be adding vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it also helps in extending the shelf life of the lotion. Then I'll be adding vitamin C. This is a vitamin C. It goes so the vitamin C I measured out got wasted, so I'm going to measure another vitamin C oil and add to it. So I'm going to be using collagen powder and goat milk powder as well. So I'm going to mix the collagen powder and goat milk powder is soluble in water, so I'm going to be mixing it with warm distilled water before adding to the lotion. So next is lavender repair serum. So lavender repair serum is very good for stretch marks and scars. It fades out your scars and it also fades out the stretch mark. So I'm going to be adding the whole bottle of this lavender repair serum into my lotion. Then I stick blend for better incorporation. So I'll also be adding Phyton Fat. This Phyton Fat, I'm going to melt it down and add the oil to my lotion. Then lastly, I'll be adding miracle powder. This is miracle powder. This black color powder you're seeing, or brown color powder you're seeing, is miracle powder. So I'm going to be adding this miracle powder. I'm going to be mixing with rose water. I'm going to be adding it to my lotion. It also helps in clearing your scars, your acne, in fading them out. So I'm going to be adding it to my stretch mark cream. So you mix very well, make sure there are no lumps before adding to the stretch mark cream. Okay, so lastly I'll be adding preservative. I'm going to measure the preservative. I'm going to be using 0.5 gram of my preservative. Then I'll add to the lotion at the cool down phase. I'm adding the preservative now. Please listen to this information, don't stop the video. I'm going to be running 50% discount for all my YouTube subscribers. If you're interested in buying my product, you are going to get it at the rate of 50% off all my products. So when you want to get my product, just chat me up on WhatsApp and tell me that you are one of my subscribers on YouTube. Mind you, I'm going to ask you one question before I sell my product to you at 50% discount, because this offer is only for my subscribers. Then you get 50% on any of my products. The lotion is done. I'm going to be filling my containers behind the camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please share among friends till my next video. Bye.